Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Learn with Riaz. How are you today? Today, I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about plans for the weekend.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Yes, let's start. Emma, today is Friday. The weekend is starting tomorrow. Are you excited?
Yes, Daniel, I am very excited. I love the weekend.
Me too. The weekend is the best time of the week. What do you usually do on Saturdays?
On Saturdays, I usually sleep late. I stay in bed until 9 a.m.
Oh, really? That sounds wonderful. I wake up early every day, even on weekends.
Wow, Daniel, why do you wake up early on Saturday?
Because I like to see the sunrise, and I like to drink my coffee in a quiet house.
That sounds very relaxing. I prefer to sleep. I am always tired after a long work week.
That is true. We work hard from Monday to Friday, so sleeping is good.
Exactly. After I wake up, I make a big breakfast.
What do you like to eat for breakfast on Saturday?
I make pancakes, eggs, and fresh juice.
Wow, that sounds delicious. Do you cook every Saturday?
Yes, I love cooking when I have free time. What about you, Daniel? What do you eat?
I just eat simple toast and an apple. I am not a good cook.
That is okay. Simple food is healthy too.
After breakfast, what are your plans for this Saturday?
This Saturday, I am going to visit a friend. We are going to watch a new movie together.
That sounds fun. What movie are you going to watch?
We're going to watch a funny comedy movie. I like to laugh.
I agree. Laughing is good for our health. Is your friend living near you?
No, she lives in another part of the city. I need to take the bus.
Taking the bus is easy. How long does it take?
It takes about 20 minutes.
That is not too long. Let's pause our conversation for a moment. Dear listeners, what about you? What do you usually do on Saturdays? Please write your answer in the comments.
Yes, please tell us your Saturday routines.
Now, Emma, let's look at some English learning tips. This is our learning section.
Great idea. Let's talk about how we talk about future plans.
Yes. Did you notice how Emma said, I am going to visit a friend?
Right. We use am, is, are, plus going to, plus verb to talk about our future plans.
For example, I am going to watch a movie, or he is going to play football.
This is a very useful grammar rule for beginners. It is easy to use.
Let's talk about vocabulary. The word weekend means Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, Monday to Friday are called weekdays.
Perfect. Let's talk about a verb. The verb to watch is a regular verb. In the past tense, we say watched.
Yes, we add ed. Last weekend, I watched a movie.
What about the verb to sleep?
To sleep is an irregular verb. The past tense is not slept, it is slept.
Right. Yesterday, I slept for 8 hours.
Excellent. Now let's practice pronunciation. The word usually can be difficult.
Yes, listen closely. Usually. It has a soft zh sound in the middle. Usually.
Usually. I usually practice English every day.
Perfect pronunciation, Emma. Now let's go back to Sunday plans. What do you do on Sundays?
Sundays are different. Sunday is my cleaning day.
Oh, really? Do you clean the whole house?
Yes, I wash my clothes, I sweep the floor, and I clean the kitchen.
That sounds like hard work. I don't like cleaning on Sundays.
When do you clean your house, Daniel?
I clean a little bit every day from Monday to Friday. So on Sunday, my house is clean.
Wow, that is a smart idea. Then what do you do on Sundays?
On Sundays, I go to the park. I play football with my friends.
That sounds exciting. You are very active.
Yes, I love sports. It gives me energy for the next week.
I prefer to stay home and read a book or relax on Sunday evening.
Relaxing is important too. If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to Learn with Riaz.
Yes, please hit the subscribe button to support us. Thank you.
Emma, do you feel sad on Sunday night because Monday is coming?
A little bit. We call that the Sunday night blues.
That is a funny and useful English phrase. Sunday night blues means feeling sad because the weekend is ending.
Yes, many people feel this way, but I try to think about positive things.
That is a great attitude. Well, Emma, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today too, Daniel.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.